Good morning, guys. It is currently, it's 11 o'clock, but I am about to do a little makeup video for y'all. I'm doing it in my car because what's better than a freaking makeup video in a freaking car? Because that's even more challenging because I don't have everything I need. So I'll see you guys in my car. Okay, so we're gonna start with
Okay, but like, who told me I could sing?
moisturizing. So we're just gonna use my little moisturizer that I put on before bed, and before I do my makeup, and it's all on the lid because I had it upside down because I'm stupid. So took my nose ring out already. Actually, it's been out since last night because I don't sleep with it in because I always tend to lose it. So yeah, just gonna put it all on our face. Put it all on our face. And then close it. Don't drop everything. And then just rub that junk in. It's so refreshing because it is so hot out today. Ugh. Don't know why it's 80 degrees. Don't really care. But hey, that's that. So, next. I already wet my beauty blender ahead of time. So we're just going to find my foundation. Found it. I used the Born This Way Too Faced. Fun fact, my color is snow
I am
because
not
I'm a
kidding.
white-ass bitch.
I am so white.
Yeah. So, we're just going to do a little pump and a half.
Fun fact, I needed more than that, but I acted like I didn't.
Here's a hair. Okay, so just dial it all on your face. I only like to do one side of my face at a time, just because I don't want it to like dry up. Try to put earrings in so I don't look so dumb, but see how that's working for me. And honestly, this foundation is like pretty good, but I mean, even when I put powder on, like my face just gets oily throughout the day, and it's really annoying. So. And I usually do a little like second layer just right here because I have some acne scars, which love that. So next, just gonna pat that stuff on. And I honestly don't. I used to be super into makeup. Like, I love doing my makeup, other people's makeup, and now I just like. I rarely do eyeshadow, which is not like. I don't know. I used to do it every single day. Like, I do my orange eyeshadow because I have blue eyes, and it just really. Orange just makes my eyes look so good. And now I literally don't do anything but foundation, powder, eyebrows, bronzing, and mascara. See, and like that little second layer just like really covers it, I guess. Just gotta, blend it away. Okay. And I don't wear concealer because I used to just put concealer under my eyes and like just where I had acne or scars or anything. But then I realized like that's kind of ugly. So now I don't do that. Okay, next we're gonna take my Airspun. Oh, Okay, love that. I have a black car and now it's everywhere. So we're just gonna pour a little into the leaf. Okay. We're gonna stick her right there. Okay, and then usually I used to use my beauty blender, but now I just use this because this used to be my old contour brush, but I got a new one, so I use it for powder now. And I just do it under my eyes first. And then I really try to get a good amount where I have acne scars, just so they don't show, because that's not cute. And then, yeah, that's pretty much it. I tend to get really oily in the T-zone area just because, I don't know, I just do. And there's hair on me. So we're just going to pour that back into there and then, yeah. Next would be bronzer. So I got my little Morphe brush. It is the M405. Use code James for 10% off. I'm kidding, but, well, no, you can if you want, but I don't because I'm a broke bitch and this is the only one I own. So I have this BH Cosmetics.
Why did I
Brilliance
pause? Like, am I
bronzer
stupid? I
and
don't know
Golden
how to
Gal.
talk. Like, what the
And
hell?
it's a really good color for me, but see, what had happened was,
Broke bitch status.
not gonna talk about that. Just gonna, you know, get a little color to my skin because, like I said, I'm very white. And I honestly don't go a day without bronzer just because, even if I don't do like a full face, I always put on bronzer just so I give a, like, just so I can get a little color because I'm very, very white. I don't really put a lot down there just because it looks gross on me. Next sign. So let's talk about Christopher and I's YouTube channel. So I'm posting this on my channel. Chris and I are gonna start making videos on, I think we might make a new YouTube for like channel just for the both of us, just because we both have like our own. He has like I don't know how many subscribers. I have 0, so like and subscribe please, because yeah. But I know I was gonna do a prank on him this weekend because it's his birthday weekend, and like, I don't know, I just want to play a little prank on him. I'm gonna ask his mom what I should do. I was thinking about the I'm breaking up with you prank, but then like that would be mean because it's his birthday. His birthday's Monday, the 18th of March. And I have a little surprise for him. It's not really like a huge deal, but his dad lives like 40-something minutes away from here, and he doesn't get to see him often. So I texted his dad, and we're like setting something up for him to come see him. Hopefully he can. He has to fix his truck first because it's broken. I don't know, but yeah. So we'll see how that goes. I don't get paid till Sunday or Monday, I think, so I can't get him a present till either. I mean, his birthday is Monday, so yeah. But next, spoolie eyebrows. I don't think I'm gonna do too much to them today because they're actually looking kind of decent. I just brush them out, and then my face itches. Okay, just brush Brushity brush, brush, brush. This eyebrow over here, this dumb bitch, likes to, for some reason I have like a little arch right here. And I don't know why, because my arch is over here on this side. So I'm very confused as to why they started doing that, but I work with it, so. I try to kind of get them how I want them before I do anything. So we're just gonna take my little eyebrow brush, and I have like this Sephora thing that my mom got me years ago, and I'm not gonna show y'all because it's kind of ew, but I just use like one of the darker shades because my hair is dark, my eyebrows really aren't, so yeah. I think I need a different mirror for this, so we're just gonna get this bad boy. And yeah, there's of course makeup all over it. Oh well. Okay, so kind of what I do is I just start, it really depends on the day, honestly, but I don't really do my eyebrows any sort of certain way every day. I just do what I feel like doing. So today, I think I'm just going to start with the bottom. Don't sleep, you gotta stay. I was gonna play music while I was doing this, but I don't want to get copyrighted, so I'm not. Okay, so I had to fix that. Don't worry about it. I'll fix it. And I always sharpen up the ends, my tail, but my tail of my eyebrow, because I can't talk while I do this. Hold on. Okay, next. I already know people are gonna be like, oh, you do your eyebrows so different from how they actually are. Well, bitch, I'm gonna do me. Sorry. And when I tell y'all my eyebrows are distant, like third cousins, I'm not kidding. I mean, they can be sisters some days, but other days, we'll see how the day goes. And no matter what, I always gotta clean up. Do you see that? What? just go back to my foundation and then do a little tiny bit just because I don't really need that much. Literally, that much. And then we get this dude and a little bit on the ends, and then just yeah, pretty. Yeah. And then I'm going to there we go. Oh. Okay. So, sorry I'm not talking. I'm really focused. I try not to do exactly what I just did because my eyelids are like already I don't know how to explain it, but I don't like the look of just like foundation on my eyelids, so I usually just leave them be, but now I have to because the other one has it on its own. Ew, that sound was gross. Okay, so I'm about to put on mascara, and I'll see y'all when I'm back. Okay, so I'm back and better than ever. So, now we got mascara on. I kind of forgot to tell y'all what mascara I use. I use this Maybelline Total Temptation one. Yeah. Okay, so next up, I forgot to do this. I usually do it before I do my mascara, but highlight. Why the freak? Do I have smile lines? Oh my god, it's terrible. Okay. I use this BH Cosmetics highlight palette, I guess. Yeah. Looks like this. It's very pretty. I use this one for, you know, all of it, and then I use that one for my inner corner and my brow bone if I'm ever doing that highlight. Usually, I don't really do that like on a regular basis, just because I tend to like do this a lot, and then all that highlight gets ruined. So, yeah, all I do is I get this little brush. And I swipe, and then I wish the sun was out right now because I need to be able to see how freaking pretty it is. Let me just do this. Oh shit. Okay, next we're just gonna get a little tiny bit on there. It's not how most beauty gurus put on their highlight, but it's how a broke bitch does it. And I don't like how it looks with my fingers, so that's why. Yeah. Next, I was about to do something, but I don't remember what it was because I don't think I have it in here. Chapstick. I don't put on lipstick or anything. It just doesn't look right on me. So I usually just do lipstick, and that's about it. I think I'm gonna start wearing false lashes just to give my real ones kind of a break, because my eyelashes are like long with mascara on, like, yeah, but I like, it takes a lot of effort for them sons of guns to look good. So I hope y'all enjoyed.
I literally
I'm probably about to
made
make
this
some
at
TikToks
11:30
because
in the morning, and it's at
why
12
not?
a.m. So be
Love y'all.
thankful.